Little Swiss Clock Shop was established in 1968 in historic downtown Waukesha. When you walk into the store, you feel like you've stepped back in time, a time when elegance and dependability of your clock were the standard. Experience an amazing collection of timepieces that includes pocket watches, wrist watches, and sport watches. In addition, there's a huge selection of grandfathers, wall, mantel, and chime clocks, as well as barometers, whimsical, novelty, and musical clocks. Select a compact travel alarm, a unique cuckoo, or a stately grandfather clock.